Welcome this video. Craft wood craft. Idea create project for natural decor. Natural often provide the best material for craft. Draft weather such as spring wood wash by is a favorite craft and interior design and its rustic charm, original shade and aesthetic. Weather collect for the lockage roads for shop each price of craft would have a unique story and beauty. We explored a wide range of draft craft can be termed after home for simple design, decoration and to functional art. When use craftwood in craft. Craftwood is not only free and eco-friendly but also increasingly various versatile. Each price varies in shade, shape and textile make its idea for unique one of a kids create. Here are a few seasoning when craft love work with craftwood natural beauty. Soft, light, tan and weather while create a natural palette, textile and shade. The original and now add to even project. Clean and craftwood have loss of your sustainability. It's a renewable material and lead wash by the purpose natural craft out. Clean and turn craft wood before divide into craftwood project your craftwood. Run and add complete it's in the sun or an air space. Craftwood valve. Use different shades of craftwood price arranged in a geometric or free fire palette on a wood board, a canvas, gum theme down and had us maximizes wall art, heart or star shape, arrange short craft wood in a heart star shape, use hard gum and back surface like bring cardboard of supported world art or letter. Create custom letter by from theme with smart craftwood Price great for entrance away or a personal gift. Craftwood then are main elegant and rustic way to turn craftwood into hold. Simple price hold, shed hold and throwing craftwood price of tea line bring use long craftwood bring and attach material to gardening craftwood break central price a bring and story arrange as gardening with term and add a cottage. Add flower and shade for a stand touch. Craftwood Mobile and Wind Chime Hand style for a bring on price of craftwood those move art price are perfect for pouch window mobile use finish line and just shed glass or hand window charm companion craftwood with metal price bamboo or board for sound balance is key the price are even space for various and structure centrability craft wood photo display term craftwood into a unique photo or not hold stain access a long piece of craftwood use maximum cloth pin to cut or knot hen hormones with valve head off from the cord. You can also attach wall to clip into the wood to display individual price. Craftwood shed long piece of craftwood the valve as rustic shed cloth price piece wide to hold object into valve stored with bring and shed use of wood book plants or collected alternate smart shortory for craftwood bring use roll and fold effect craftwood range or key hold attach hold and need photo for craftwood and moment is need your interest away this make are functional